Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Bumble on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to ensure is that you're either connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, a Wi-Fi icon will appear in your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, a 4G or 5G icon should appear right next to your mobile network status. The other thing that you must ensure is inside settings, you must ensure that your phone is at least Android 5.0 or higher. For that, head over to About Phone on your device and then hit Software Information and check its Android version. This phone is running Android version 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can head over to Play Store from your app drawer, tap on Play Store and then tap on the search bar. In the search bar, simply look for Bumble and then you can hit Go Enter on your keyboard and then hit Install right next to Bumble. Make sure that you're logged into your Google account on your Google Play Store, else you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials, after which you'll be able to download the app. After you have downloaded Bumble, you can set up your profile and then look for a partner. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.